13 easy ways to make a girl chase you. Gentlemen, making a girl chase you can be a difficult task until today. You see, you only need to do each of the tips I'll be sharing to have her chasing you. So don't miss any of them, especially the most important tip at the end of this video. Make a good first impression. Making a good first impression really matters when you want to impress someone. While impressing might be something you're good at, if you want her to be interested in you, it's important to start off on the right foot and stand out. Since many people might have already tried to flirt or give her compliments to get her attention, try doing something special that makes you different and makes her remember you. Just be yourself. Look into her eyes when you talk, and give a confident handshake when you introduce yourself. Show her your mysterious side. Keep yourself intriguing so she becomes more interested in you compared to other possible partners she might have. We're not suggesting you should act suspicious or be unclear when you talk. Instead, become a bit of a mystery, someone she can't easily understand, to make her curious and eager to discover more about you. This will make her want to learn about you and, hopefully, want to start a romantic relationship with you. Exude confidence. Confidence is really important, especially when you're hoping she'll be the one to pursue or show interest in you. When you see her, show confidence, be charming and friendly. If you seem anxious or unsure, she might not find it appealing, and she could think you're not someone she can take seriously. Hold back a little. When you're in a relationship, sometimes it's good to not always be the one making the moves. While you should still ask her out on occasion, it's important not to overwhelm her with too many invitations. Allow her the opportunity to captivate or attract you as well. This principle extends to various aspects of your interaction, including giving gifts, sending text messages, or simply staying in touch with her. By maintaining this balanced approach, you create a dynamic where both of you contribute to the excitement and interest in the relationship. Keep any romantic feelings for her a secret. It's okay to share your feelings with the woman you like, but if you want to make her really interested and have her want to be closer to you, it's a good idea to keep those feelings a bit hidden. Treat her like a good friend. Hang out with her and assist her if she needs help. However, don't let her know you like her in a romantic way. Stay away from obvious flirting and corny words. If she figures out that you're really into her, she might think you're always around and won't feel the urge to chase after you. This makes her less likely to want to get closer to you. Don't be clingy. Being there for someone who likes you is a good thing, but there's a limit. If you're always around her trying to help with everything, it might seem like you're too attached. Aim for a middle ground by being reliable without being overly clingy. Impress her with your sincere concern and attention. To show this, let her know you're available when she really needs you. But for anything else, she should be the one to get in touch. This way, you strike a balance between being supportive and giving her space. Be the one who knows her best. One smart approach to get her interested and make her feel special is by really understanding her. This can make your conversations and relationship better, and she'll feel at ease talking to you. Begin by learning about what she enjoys, what she doesn't like, and her hopes for the future. It's a sure way to make her develop feelings for you and make her want to talk to you and spend time with you more often. Be playful, but within limits. If you want her to be interested in you, you can't ignore her completely. It's important to be there for her emotionally when she requires it and to be enjoyable company. Be someone she has a good time with, while not revealing just how much those moments matter to you. Have fun interactions, make her giggle, and playfully joke with her. However, remember to stay respectful and kind, and avoid being disrespectful or impolite. Try to make your hangouts a group affair. Sometimes hanging out with her alone is a great way to become closer and learn more about each other. But if you do it too much, she might guess you like her. So mix things up by spending time with friends when you're around her. This can make it seem like you're not too focused on her or don't want to be the first to show your feelings. Being in group settings can make her more curious about you. Get close to her friends. Becoming friends with her pals, while not making it too obvious, can actually work in your favor. It's like joining her group of friends without making a big deal about it. This can create more opportunities for all of you to hang out together. It's like increasing your chances of being around her without making it seem like you're trying too hard. If her friends start to trust you and think you're cool, they might say good things about you to her. This could be a good thing for you. When her friends talk positively about you, it might influence her to see you in a better way. It's like getting a good review without asking for it. Be a good listener. People often feel happy when someone takes the time to listen to them. You can be that special listener for her. However, it's important not to always make the conversations about yourself or tell too much. Balancing the talk is important. When you show that you genuinely care about what she has to say, it can make her feel comfortable around you. This might make her want to open up and talk to you more often. Plus, it can make her curious to learn more about you too. And you know what's really nice? When you become someone she can talk to and share things with, she might also want to be there for you when you have something to share. It's like building a two-way street of trust and support, which can make your connection even stronger. So being a good listener and finding that balance in sharing can really make her feel close to you. Try to be the one who ends a hangout. When you're spending time together, try being the one who suggests it's time to finish up. Usually one person is the first to mention they have to go. You can take on that role. It's completely fine to mention that you have other things on your agenda, but make sure she understands you had a great time hanging out. Before you part ways, let her know that you'd like to see her again. This simple gesture can spark her interest in spending more time with you. It's like leaving a hint that you're looking forward to the next time you meet. This can create a sense of anticipation and make her want to connect with you again. So being the one to wrap things up can actually leave a positive impact on her feelings toward you. Make her a little jealous. A little bit of jealousy can sometimes be a positive thing. Because you're not in an official relationship, there might be others who try to catch your eye. You can gently flirt back, but be careful not to take it too far. This can make her feel a bit competitive and want to show you that she's the best option for you. It's like a small spark that can add some excitement. When she sees that others are interested in you, she might realize that she wants your attention too. Just remember to keep things respectful and not let it go too overboard. This way, a touch of jealousy can make her see you in a different light and create a little extra interest between you two. If you like today's video, consider giving a like and subscribe for more content like this.